Let's consider this question. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 1, x and y are together. In equation 2, x and y are separated by an addition operator. Equation 2 is a linear equation. I will consider equation 2 and make either x or y the subject. Let me make y the subject. Y is 5 minus x. I will call this equation 3. Next, I will substitute equation 3 into equation 1, where xy is 6. But from equation 3, y has a value, which is 5 minus x. Next, let's expand the bracket. X times 5 will give you 5x. X multiply minus x will give you minus x squared, and on the other side we have 6. The x squared, I want to make it a positive. I will take it across the other side. Here I'm going to have 6 is on the other side, and you're going to have plus x squared. I will move this 5x across, it becomes minus 5x. On this side is 0. Next, I will rearrange the quadratic equation. We have a quadratic equation. Next, if this quadratic equation is factorizable, then I will split the middle term into 2 to have 4 terms, so that I can apply factorization by grouping. To do this, I will multiply 1 with this constant 6, because the coefficient of x squared here is 1. Hence, 1 times 6 will give me 6. Next, I will think of two values, two numbers that if I multiply the two numbers, I will get 6. And if I add the two values, I will get a replacement of 5. The two numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 multiply minus 2 will give you 6, and minus 3 plus minus 2 will give you minus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Hence, I will replace this with minus 3x and minus 2x. Next, I will consider the first two pairs. What is common in these two terms? X is common. I'll open a bracket. What will I put here so that if you multiply x, I will get x squared? It is x. There is a minus here. What will I put here? By the time it multiply x, I will get 3x. It is 3. Next, I'll open another bracket. I'll copy whatever that is here. I will just paste equals 0. Next, I will consider this third term. What will I put here? If I multiply with this x, I will get minus 2x. 2x is minus 2. Minus 2 times x will give you minus 2x. And minus times minus will give you plus. 2 times 3 will give you 6. Next, these two brackets are the same. So I will take x minus 3 in bracket. I will take what is outside, which is x minus 2 is equal 0. Next, I will split this. I will solve these two. X minus 3 is 0. X minus 2 is 0. X is 3 and x is 2. This is x1 and this is x2. Hence, we have obtained two values for x, and we are going to obtain two values for y. From equation 3, where y is 5 minus x, I will have that y is 5 minus x. For y1, I will substitute x1. My x1 is 3, and I will have 2. That means my y1 is 2. Still on equation 3, we have that y is 5 minus x. This time around, I will now have that y2 is 5 minus x2. I will have 5 minus x2 is 2. And y2 is 3. Now that I have 2 values for x and 2 values for y, next I will substitute for my x1, y1 in equation 1. I will get 6. Then I will substitute for x2 and y2 into equation 1. I will still get 6. Next, I will substitute x1 and y1 into equation 2. I will get 5. Also, I will substitute x2 and y2 into equation 2. I will get 5. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video lesson.